In today's video, we're going to make our own hair deodorizer for dry hair and learn why you need to know how to make this fantastic do-it-yourself product for your home. Please like, share, and subscribe. This recipe is super simple and super effective. It possesses natural deodorizing, antibacterial, and hair calming properties, and your hair will smell fantastic. All right, let's get to it. We need 3 drops of fractionated coconut oil. Coconut oil is deeply moisturizing. It absorbs quickly, is an antioxidant, and antifungal. Now, you can use any essential oil combination you prefer. However, essential oils I like to use is patchouli and lemongrass essential oils. Patchouli has a musky scent, while lemongrass is sweet. When combined, your hair will possess a deliciously sensual fragrance. 2 drops of patchouli essential oil. Patchouli can reduce stress and anxiety. It is an antiseptic, antioxidant, antibacterial, and antifungal. It can support the libido and increase mental awareness. 1 drop of lemongrass essential oil. Lemongrass is a natural cleanser and deodorizer. It has antiseptic properties and can support against hair loss. It can also improve blood circulation and reduce stress and anxiety. Simply add 2 drops of patchouli, 1 drop of lemongrass, and 3 drops of fractionated coconut oil to the palm of your hand. Then, starting at the ends and working your way up, massage through your hair. You can alter oil amounts depending on the thickness of your hair and scent preferences. It's just that easy. Here's the recipe if you'd like a screenshot. Thanks for watching, and remember, subscribe, comment, and ring that bell for more wellness content at The Essential Journey, restoring the mind, body, and home with the power of nature.